want you to start talking too much before I even see the place. I just pray that where you're taking me to is not like the last one you took me to, because that place was dirty.
So you know, sometimes hotels in Nigeria here, they are not the way it is over there. But promise you, or I promise you, in fact I'm promising you already, that the place I'm taking you to now, a home away from home. A home whereby if you enter there, will be a problem.
Are you serious?
Just let's not talk too much.
Okay.
Yes. Let us go for you to Hunanya.
Okay, I'm coming with you now.
Ego ya kolabo. Iheri mari ego. Iheri mari ego. Lovely na kokolam.
Baby, you did awesome this time.
I know.
This is wonderful.
You are just seeing the studio.
Yes.
By the time we zoom inside, you see the interiors.
Wow.
You got this exterior tete.
Oh my
God. Let's go inside for you to see.
Baby.
Ebo.
Wow.
TDT Zone Hotel. Olokoro Omaya. Okay, make it on now.
Oh my God, honey, you overdid yourself this time around.
No,
Eh?
I am overdid.
Ah.
You know me very well. Yeah. I am full of surprises. All right, guys, you can see my woman is already smiling because I took her to a place where she have always wanted. In fact, this place is a home away from home. Like I said, TBT Zone Hotel, Olokoro Umada. In case you are, or in case you eventually, peradventure, or misventure, or to hear and get a bigger than more comfort. Security the tight. If one name about security was reba. Get a nigga na Sambisa forest. Yeah, you know, according to hotel like a security in Abusa. So my people, Olokoro Umaya, TDT Zone Hotel, or banner. I want everybody to do what whenever you're coming to Umaya. Search for it. Yes. Google it, then Google it, and give Batazian email. Ebe mwabule nonga mo, nonga atwa mu yeki. You know ga mo zone. So game more TDT Hotel Zone day. Now even from the story I heard, nga come mom not 3 men. So my wife ga panga at 3 months. Yemu ni aga bana balo La Liga.
Oh my God.
La Liga. Let me take you to the poolside for you to see.
Yes.
Come out from. So all of them are the same. So I'm telling you, this is very neat. They keep everywhere neat. Where they are done. Here, point and two in the China house in a hotel. This are the actors. Wow. Machine and Kenny. That I'm from I know. So TDT Hotel is a home away from home, like I said before. So now we are looking. TDT Zone Hotel, Kedina Olokoro Umahia. What did I say? TBT Zone Hotel, Olokoro Umahia. Say it again. TBT Zone Hotel, Olokoro Umahia. Eba number 1. I know.